All right, incoming sixth graders, Mr. Hoffman here, and I'm here to just go over with you briefly what we're going to be learning this year. A little bit of time for that, okay? So let's start with right over here, something called integers and rational numbers. We're going to be doing that whole adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. So I know how to do that, Mr. Hoffman. We're going to make a whole new dimension to it, and I really do mean sort of like a different dimension. Because we have this thing called positive numbers, we go to this thing called negative numbers, and that's really not, I'm talking about numbers that have a bad attitude or something like that. I'm talking about numbers that just represent the opposite direction of the positive. So if you pick a fixed point anywhere in the world and you say, oh, let's go up, you can call that positive. Like you're going to go up 10 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, that's a positive 10. Or if you go under the ground 10 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you just went down, you dug a whole 10 feet deep. That was the negative 10 down there, right? So it can represent space, but also represent debt. Like you owe somebody $10. Ooh, now who has a bad attitude? It's not the number, it's not the negative 10, it's the person who made, it's you, because you owe somebody money, right? I don't know, maybe you don't have a bad attitude. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, so let's go from integers and rational numbers. We're going to be multiplying those negatives, dividing those negatives with positives, and positives with negatives, and positives with positives, and negatives with negatives. So we're going to get down in here into fractions and decimals. We're going to be making friends with the fractions. We're going to be dancing with the decimals. Dancing with the decimals. Bam! Line them up and drop. That's what we're going to do with those decimals. All kinds of fun dances we're going to have. Then we're going to get down here to expressions and equations. So my nose, there's my eyes, and shoulders, knees and toes, and nose, and eyes and ears, and mouth and nose. Here we go. Expressions and equations. That's what's traditionally known as, for me anyway, when I think of algebra, that's right. Maggie and I went to ninth grade, so we got some sophisticated sixth grade. What's it? 9 to 6. I'm going to what would that be? 6 plus 9? 9 divided by 6? 6 divided by 9. No. 6. 9 minus 6. What do you mean you knew that? Why didn't you say something? Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 years. You're 3 years ahead. Like Buzz Lightyear ahead of me. Okay, so that's the beginning of the year. Those like 3 main things. That's what we're doing. Then we're going to jump over to January, time machine, get in the DeLorean. Okay, was it 88 miles per hour? You guys even know that? Somebody does. Actually, parents don't know. Great grandparents. Yeah, I'm an old guy. Okay, so that's another topic. Rates and ratios. Can I find you? There you are. That's a big one. That's kind of like if you have, let's say the ratio is, if you have to have 2 cats for every 1 dog, I'd rather reverse it, kind of more of a dog, rather than cats too. You have to have 2 cats for every 1 dog. But let's say you want to get 4 cats. How many dogs are you going to have to get? Well, 2 cats is 1 dog. 2 more is a whole nother dog. So it's this many. 2 to 1 ratio. We're going to be taking those up another level a little bit. You know, so it's going to be super simple like that, but it's not going to be that much harder, honestly. It really isn't. Okay, so then I'm going to kick down in here to the middle of next year, geometry. We're going to be like area, surface area, volume, shapes, stuff like that. Then we're going to end of the year, after second semester, statistics. That's looking at graphs, analyzing graphs. What does it mean? And data, you know, that's pretty much it. It's going to go by so fast. So ready, buckle your seatbelt, we'll be taking off pretty soon. And ready or not, it's easy.